So now we can do the same checklist. And now we keep this one lean. Once before final approach fix, we go normally bridge. But it's gonna be both as required, 122.8, 2941, right? So now, since we're at 2 miles, let's go VLOC and final approach course. That's a final approach course. There we go. So we're gonna do which entry here?
It's gonna be parallel.
Right, which means we're gonna fly 332. We are not clear yet, but we are clear for X-ray, right?
Yeah.
Portland 63843.
Cessna 43, go ahead.
We would like to cancel Wi-Fi.
Cessna 43, roger, IFR cancellation, receive, maintain VFR, and set request.
We're gonna do localizer, base approach 63843.
Cessna 43, roger, practice approach approved, no separation service are provided, maintain VFR.
Practice approach approved, maintain VFR 63843. Okay. Now we are gonna turn 3, 2, 1, now turn. Now we are focused. Full, get your 332, right? But we are supposed to maintain altitude, but we are clear, so that means you can go down. Time, we're gonna do it, right? 332, wings level.
332, oh yeah.
Time. Time. The width we did, throttle.
Oh, we have time, oh yeah.
Yeah. Throttle, we're gonna go down to what?
3000.
Okay, copy hit all. 3000. So we did turn, we did time, we did 2 widths. Throttle, we're going down. Top, we don't need to.
Yep.
Remember now we have reverse sense.
Alright.
So you are the needle. Well, let's get the needle center.
Portland approach, Skylane 94916, 5000.
Sky 94916, approach, full altimeter is 2941, size of India.
Okay.
We have information India 916.
Now, man.
Sky 916, roger, for planning purposes, do you plan on canceling once you get closer?
Okay, 1 minute.
Get into the below 5,000.
Okay, stay at 5,000, we'll let you know if we see what we
We
can.
have a split time, right?
Yeah, right now we don't, so turn time to east throttle is important, so goes up and throttle back. Don't go down anymore. So we did turn, we did time, we did the west throttle. So remember, we are doing parallel entry, right? That means we're going to use 45 degrees intercept angle. That means we're going to overshoot our desired heading by 45, which we don't need to do calculations. We just put 152 on the 45 degrees mark. It's alive, right? So we're gonna turn. Let's turn. Time we don't need, to waste we did, throttle. 3,000, right? So we can go up a little bit more. turning all the way to 152 there. Yeah, right there, man. Beautiful. So now we're gonna try to get needle as center as we can, right? And 152, 152. So we need to go about 10 degrees to the right side. 1, 2, 3. Wing level. Boom. 152. Right there. A little bit more. So our head is gonna be around 155. Right. There you go. Boom. Right? Perfect here, perfect here, so that's how much you're gonna hold. 150. 1.58. We can check your ground speed.
Heading back to Chateau via Lac 52371 Roger.
Taking out all the way to the left. Small altitude.
Small
knob to the left. Left. Boom. Ground speed 64. Our true air speeds are around 84. Almost 20 knots headwind.
20, headwind.
Yeah, we got a bunch strong headwind, right? You didn't see your winds aloft today?
It was like 19,
20, yeah. Makes sense, right?
Now we have Sierra 371. 371 Roger.
No, we don't need Toulouse, we don't need Toronto. Nice shot.
$500 to go. Let's go. $200. $100.
Cessna 371 is traffic. 2 o'clock, 4 miles departing Portland at Sirius 1400 climbing. Looking for a traffic 371. Cessna 843 radar service terminated, report to VFR departure, this frequency change advisory, frequency approved.
Frequency change approved, report VFR departure 843.
10, turning final, 33, touch and go.
We are like
8 miles final, 15. Focus on the flight, I do the radios. Alright.
Okay.
Do you want to do the radio or? Because you're busy, you're gonna have to do landing checklist, okay?
I'll do it.
Focus on the flight, I do the radio, don't worry. Scampus traffic at 63843, 8 miles, final runway 15, backseating Localizer, Scampus. So now, because between here is only 1.3, so we're gonna have to do before landing checklist.
Traffic 8306 Romeo, clear of runway 33.
Yep, that's a little sure. You're good for one more.
Alright, I'll go do one more. Thank you.
Let's on.
And let's put below another flap stack. Down, pitch down. Good. So keep your nose down. Remember we have to cross between 1,900 minus 0 plus 100. 0.3 to go. Watch our speed, so increase power a little bit more. Power 17. More power. Try to get our speed back to 80. 3, 2, 1, cool. We cross enemy. Now we are going to Scampus traffic Cessna 843, 6 mile, final runway 15, taxi, Localizer 15, plane to the attention go for northeast departure, Scampus.
Alpha traffic, Cessna 490-419, starting
Go down, go down.
Maintaining the pattern, 12,000, California.
And the 150 was holding us, right? So we have to go down to
1,200.
okay, good, 1 mile to go. Try to get your needle, always fly. Even though the needle is slightly to the right, go get it. So go, pull, 1, 2, 3, pull, wings level, and wait a little bit. Good. We are tracking back, good, airspeed's good. 200 to go, 0.6.
67710,
Move it back.
33.
1, 2, 3. Scampus traffic says 843, it's about 4 miles final, runway 15, we're planning to do a touch and go if nobody's around. Scampus traffic.
Caboose traffic, Comanche 5892 Papa, inbound from the southwest for full stop. Caboose, altitude 3100.
Oh.
Caboose traffic 67710, right downwind 33, touch and go.
Okay, let's hold 1,500 actually. Let's go
1,500?
Yeah. Scampus traffic says 843, 3 miles, final runway 15, 1,100, we are climbing to 1,604, miss approach, Scampus traffic. And there is a guy doing touch and go, opposite runway. And I don't want to do circle because we won't have time.
Oh,
I'm trying to squeeze, sorry man. Good job, flaps up, copy heat off. And let's hold 1,600 all the way to miss approach there.
Caboose traffic,
Miss approach.
Musketeer Lima, are you in the pattern yet? Negative, I am over the river at 1,300, we'll be entering a 45 to left downwind runway 33 in just a minute.
Campus traffic says report 3, it's 1 mile final runway 15 holding 1,600 for this approach and office departure is Campus. 1,600.
Oh, 1,600.
Caboose traffic, Cessna 67710, turning right base, runway 33 is Caboose.
Caboose traffic, 8 miles out, Comanche 5892 Papa, altitude 2,500. Inbound, straight in for runway 33, Caboose.
Traffic, Cessna 49419, turning base for runway 12, full stop, Kelso.
Hey, beautiful job. We're gonna keep 1,600. Once you, now your eyes has to be also looking here.
Campus air traffic, 94070, 12 miles to the southwest, inbound left, right traffic 33. Campus.
Campus traffic says 843 over runway 15 at 1,600 for a left turn heading northeast. Campus traffic.
Caboose traffic, Cessna 67710, final runway 33, touch
3, 2, 1.
Traffic, Cessna 49419, turning final for runway 12, full stop, Kelso.
Caboose traffic must clear 2342 over the river at 1,100 feet. We're entering a 45
And the rate of
left
turn
downwind,
over
runway 33. Touch and go.
to spin.
Caboose traffic, Comanche 5892 Papa, 3 mile final, straight in, full stop for fuel. Caboose.
Campus traffic says 6343 half mile northeast, 2,000 climb, 3,500 northeast departure. Last call is Campus.